Hey, 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 guys, it's Jennifer Woolsey, your friendly Facebook friend. So I hope you all are doing great today. Um, just wanted to come out and share a message with you that I have shared actually last night with my team. But also, I've been mentoring a couple of girls, one of which is a junior high girl, and then a couple of girls on my team. And one of the biggest struggles that they seem to be battling is their confidence and finding a way to grow and build that confidence. And I thought, there's probably more of us out there that are struggling with this, than just me or just these women that are teenagers that I'm mentoring. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to share a little bit with you guys about how I'm building my confidence. So I started seeing a health coach last week, and I'm on a detox week to try to have a healthier lifestyle, to eat better, and to take better care of myself. Hey, Tamara. Hi, Jody. Hi, guys. And so this has been a struggle. This week has been a struggle for me. I'm a lover of sweets and sugar and all things bad, fried foods. That's just been my diet for 40 years. And so I'm trying to change that. And this week has really broke me down. I've had some nights when I went to sleep crying, and some days when I was angry and just really, really mad. And a good friend reminded me yesterday, that's on this journey with me, that you know what, you were created to do hard things. God knew that you were going to have to face hard things, and you were created to do hard things. So we're going to make it. And I was like, okay, she's right. So let me share some tips with you of how I'm working on building my self-confidence when I seem to feel like I'm the most broken. So the number one thing is focus on building your strengths. So what are your strengths? What are you good at? Are you a crafter? Are you a salesperson? Are you a nurturer? Are you, there's so many things that we can be good at. So what are you good at? Are you a compassionate person? Are you one that is fine detailed person? Where is your strength? Find your strength and build on it. So I have a friend that is an amazing nurturer. She knows needs I have before I ever even know it. And she'll text me, how you doing? I'm like, I'm okay. No, really, I know that you need something. How are you doing? And she just knows me. And that is such a blessing to have those kind of friends in our life. And so if you are one of those people, reach out and check on people today. Reach out to your network, check on your friends, check on your family, let them know you're thinking about them and praying for them, and just build on the strengths that you have. Mine is not eating good. That is not my strength. So I've reached out to my friends that are healthier eaters and been like, I need ideas, I need help, and gone to their strengths. Okay, number 2, replace negative energy and influences in your life. This is a hard one. So, and share this video. I forgot to say that the first. Share this video. Somebody else may need these tips to help build their confidence. So we had a associate pastor in the other night that did a sermon, and he talked about, we are the temple of our bodies are the temple of God. And the things that we put in our bodies are what comes out of our mind. So your music, your television, your video games, the things that you put into your mind are what you think about and are what comes out. The people that you let speak into your life. If you have some negative Nellies around you that are doubting your goals, your dreams, the things that you want to do, maybe it's time to silence them a little bit and distance yourself from those negative influences and those people that are speaking over your life that aren't necessarily bringing light to your life. So be cautious of what music you're listening to, television shows, people that are speaking into your life. Number 3, learn from others. So there's got to be somebody in your circle that is doing what you want to do. So I always try to surround myself with people that I aspire to be like, that have good self-control, especially on this health journey, that has good self-control and good eating habits, that is personable and wants to go out and talk to people, or that is a bookworm and that is learning all the time. Surround yourself with people that you can learn from. And research, read, listen to podcasts, watch live videos and share them with other people, but find ways that you can learn from others to help you better yourself. That is a great thing about friends. You can surround yourself with whatever friends you choose, and those friends that lift you up and inspire you are the ones you want to spend the most time with. Number 4, master your skill. So whatever that strength was that we talked about in number 1, whether it's compassion, whether it's your job, parenting, maybe you're an amazing mother or an amazing father, whatever it is, master that skill. Because when you master something in your life, maybe it's crocheting or quilting, when you master something in your life, guess what? It makes other things come to you more easily. It makes other tasks seem not so daunting because you know you've mastered something and you did it really well. So I hope that these tips are helpful for you guys. If you want more tips or these resources that I got these from, leave me a message below, send me more info, share this video. Somebody else is going to need these tips to help them to build their confidence. And it's really that simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find those things that you truly want to be successful at in life. Research it, learn from others, and go for it, because you are made to do hard things. So don't let anybody tell you different. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want those resources, and I will for sure get you hooked up. So y'all have a great day, a beautiful Monday. Bye, guys.